and Merry Christmas! Today we are making gingerbread men, and we are going to give them, as well as a few other things, as gifts to the Door of Hope Children's Mission. So let's get started. For the gingerbread, we're going to start with our melted butter, to which we'll add our packed sugar and our light brown sugar. We're going to give this a quick whisk until combined. We're then going to add our molasses, the egg, and some water. We're going to mix this together as well until combined, and then get started on our dry ingredients. For the dry ingredients, we're going to start with some flour, which we will sift in, and then add a pinch of salt, some baking soda, ground ginger, some ground nutmeg, and some ground allspice. We're then going to mix this together until we get a nice dough-like consistency. Once your dough starts to look like this, you can lay it out on your surface. We're going to knead it slightly just until we get a nice smooth dough. Once you have a nice smooth dough, you can then divide it in two and then roll each half into a nice disc. Cover this with cling film and refrigerate for at least half an hour. After refrigerating, you can then roll out the dough. Roll carefully as the edges will crack. The dough may also be a little sticky, so make sure to press lightly. We're then going to cut out our gingerbread men using a cookie cutter. Place your gingerbread men on a greased baking tray and bake for 10 to 12 minutes at 170 degrees Celsius. I'm using a royal icing mix here, to which I'm just adding some water and whisking until it's the right consistency. And now we can decorate. I'm using some sprinkles, some red and green chocolates, and of course my royal icing. This is where you can really have fun and decorate as much as you want, and really just let your imagination run wild. I have quite a few of these to decorate, so I'm keeping it quite simple. And here we have our gingerbread men. I'm going to go now and take all of these things to Door of Hope. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.